In this video, I'll show you the best graphics and visual mods to make GTA 4 look better in 2026. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the zip and it will start downloading. This mod enhances the GTA 4 visuals. Select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close tab here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Just go back and make a backup GTA 4 and then open the GTA 4 folder, open the GTA 4 in WinRAR, drag and drop all these files inside, replace the file in the destination. After this done, just close up here and launch the game. I will show you guys the before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.